I had to share this video with you because when I started watching it myself, I said there's no way that this baby is gonna reach the top of this rock climbing wall. That's insane. Babies are not rock climbers, and I was totally wrong. When I started watching it, I didn't know what to expect, but somehow the baby has the bravery to climb up that wall, and I know they have the protective mats there and the parents are right there, but still, it's amazing. And it goes to show you the people who get stuff done, it's not necessarily because they are stronger. This is just a baby, right? It doesn't mean they're smarter, but the people who do stuff are so often just the ones who try and the ones who work hard. That's the big secret. There have been so many things in my life where I've done them, and it's not because I've got a special talent. It's just because I try things and I work harder than everyone else. So I hope this video inspires you to do the same, and I hope you will help me to share it with all of your friends. Thank you, guys.